Hey there, Disney friends. Welcome back to the channel. I Remember Disney. My name is Erica. And today is going to be a pin unboxing for the Rescue Ranger ones. But I also forgot to say that when I went to the outlet, I picked up 2 pairs of ears. So I have these floral ones from last year's Flower and Garden. They were $3.99. And then I also picked up this pair of Ariel ears, which it has the 2 seashells. And then on the side, it says mermaid hair, don't care. And on this side, it does have Ariel. So you will be seeing these beautiful ears in future videos. All right, so on to the pin unboxing of the Rescue Rangers. So again, we have all of these. So these come with 1 pin in each of them, and they are a limited edition of 900 and 2 chaser pins, which are a limited edition of 500, and they retail for $17.99. So they do come in these black bags. Okay, so the first one that we have is Madame Medusa. Her looking all nasty with her face. Ugh. I was not a fan of hers. Okay, so the next one that we have Bernard. And we have 6 of these. So we got a duplicate. We have another Madame Medusa. So she will be up for trade. So if you are collecting these series and you'd like to trade, let me know. You can either say in the comments below or hit me up on Instagram. She will be up for trade. This is the one I wanted. So we have Evinrude. Two more boxes left. So we're doing pretty good. We only have 1 dupe so far. I probably shouldn't have said that because I'll probably jinx myself now. Oh, yay! So we have Bianca. And last but not least, yay, we got Penny. So it's pretty cool because all the pins that we pulled today all connect. Let me grab them all together. So Madame Medusa connects to Evinrude. And then above her is Bianca. Probably should have grabbed a pin board so I could show you this a lot easier. Goodness. All right, let's do this with my other hand. Let's use my strong hand. And again, these are all limited edition of 900. I didn't get any chasers, but that's okay. So this is what we have so far. We've got Bianca, Bernard, and Penny up at the top row. And then we have Evinrude, and Madame Medusa. And again, I have 2 of her, so 1 of her is up for trade. So please let me know if you're collecting these series down in the comment below. Like the video, hit that notification bell to know when the next one's coming up, and hit me up if you want to trade for that 1 pin that I had a duplicate of. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!